I was exploring with different mediums, and smoke for me made sense then. But little did I know that with everything you do, it prepares you for the future. So me, at that time, I knew there was something, I was yearning for something, and you know when you are empty inside and you're still doing it, but in 2018, it all made sense after I lost my younger brother. So for me, it was when now I was more like in touch with me, and I could see images, I could feel more energies from people. So it was like I could sense him, but he wasn't there. So I would walk around taking images of people. Then after I take images of people, I would go to my studio. But when I was painting, I was not only painting the people that I took images of, but I was painting their spirit. If you look at the works also, they have hollow eyes. It's dark, but the reason why I did that, it was right after the loss of my brother, because I shuttered the windows to everyone I see. So I wanted to see who they are deep inside. I shuttered down the eyes because they say your eyes are the windows to the soul. But what happens when I remove the window and I'm in the presence of the spirit? So that I started painting people, but their spirits, not them. So all my works became the essence of who you are as a spirit. So the suit became that ghostly effect. Then if you look at the paint itself, I used inks that have some kind of a shimmering effect to give hope and life into the spirit. So my work is a very spiritual process.